Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing sadly kind of got to be in very poor shape, but this is from Crafties. They did contact me and asked if I would review their product, and then they also asked if I would be an affiliate, and I was like, you know what? Sure. If it gets you guys to get a 20% off coupon, I'll be an affiliate. And plus, maybe I'll have some power. I don't know. Will I have power to ask them to make changes? So the box is kind of in bad shape. This did get this did get to me pretty. It took a while to get to me, so I think this is the reason it got to me in such poor shape. It probably got like tossed around in the mail system. So I don't blame Crafties for this, because this is all mail. This is the shipping. So but yeah, no, poor box. It doesn't really matter as long as what's inside got here. See, like, look at this, it's beautiful. So yeah, let's have a little prayer for the poor box that just didn't seem to want to survive. But yeah, so Crafties, they do license their artists. So suitable for ages 5 and above. I don't know. Would anyone trust their 6-year-old or 5-year-old to diamond paint? Or are they going to eat the pieces? I don't know. I don't have children. And fun for people at age 90, which I think is a shame, because I think people above age 90 will still like to diamond paint. But yeah, it's a nice box. If it wasn't all squished, it would be fine. But hey, look at least the diamond painting looks intact. Okay, so where is the opening? Here it is. So I have actually completed a Crafties before. Okay, so wow, the drills look like there's not that many for whatever reason. It looks really, really tiny. I don't know why. So here is the toolkit. It comes with 2 pens with a 3-placer and a 6-placer, 5-placer, a white boat, 2 plates of wax, some silver tweezers, and then 2 blue grippies. Excuse me if my voice is a little messed up. I did mow the lawn yesterday, and every time I mow the lawn, I swear, I get sniffly. Okay, so what did I get? So my first 2 Crafties ones I got were one of the Swirly Trees by Carla Gerard, and I got it was the elk. I think it was called North something by, I forgot now, I'm sorry. I think it was like, yeah, Lex Zeus or something. But I got this one this time because, you know, what's my channel without some more flowers, right? So this is Roses on Turquoise by Marla Gill. It's on Crafties website for $45.98. And since I did say, sure, let me be an affiliate, they did give me a coupon code for 20% off. It's Joan20. I'll put all of that below. Feel free to use it. But just because I'm an affiliate does not mean I'm not going to be completely honest in my review, because like you, I am a diamond painter too, and I only want companies to get better, because why would I want to diamond paint something that is not enjoyable, right? So I feel like I'm hoping that maybe I'll have a voice if I do become an affiliate. Okay, so there are 25 colors in this, and from my previous Crafties ones, I know the ones that are highlighted are some sort of special drill here. The drill field, I think looks, I don't see any problems with this drill field. Yeah, this one actually looks might be kind of easy, which I'm all for, right? Not kidding now. So I'm just going to flatten this out just to, man. Flatten it out. Nope. I am horrible, apparently, at flattening this out. Flatten it out so that you can see the canvas did flatten out pretty quickly, so which is great. There are 25 colors. Yeah, for whatever reason, it just seemed like it was just such a small amount of colors, considering this is a 40 by 50. Let's measure this. It is 39.5 by 49.5. Okay. You know what? I feel like my last crafties were not in these baggies. I could be completely wrong. I'd have to go look back at my first unboxing, but yeah, I don't think they were in these baggies, so this must be something new. So, are they in order? Because if they're in order, I'm not going to take... No, they're not in order. So, okay, so here are the two specials. It looks like there's some green rhinestones. Like, this is like a lighter green rhinestone and a darker green rhinestone. So yeah, they are in the baggies. Like I said, I don't believe my first one was in the baggies. So this must be a different change. Now I feel like I have to go look them up and be like, were they in baggies? You know, I think I still have, yeah, no, I don't think they were in baggies, because let me go check. Okay, I went in because I still haven't finished. I still haven't started my other one. This one, this is what I was saying. Yeah, North Spirit by Lex Zeus. I did kit up both of my last crafties together. And see, this is why I was like, yeah, I was pretty sure my last one was not in the individual baggies, because I was like, so I remember yeah, this was like the one that was extra that wouldn't fit in the bottles. So I was like, okay, yeah, no, I'm not crazy. The last one was not in the baggies. So it does look like they decided to go with these individual bags, which I'm fine with also. Means less cutting, right? So yeah, here's some nice looking colors here. Ooh, I like this color here. Let's see. This has some of my favorite kind of colors, the turquoisey and then the pinks. Those are like some of my favorite colors. So yeah, I think this will be really pretty. Really, really pretty. So yeah, that's why I was like, it doesn't see, I don't remember them being in the baggies. So, of course, it's not going to be really pretty in the baggie after me trying to put this away. But yeah, no, it looks like they're doing the baggies now. Let me just, so yeah, so here is this pretty diamond painting from Crafties. I don't know when I'll be able to work on this. It'll just depend on when I don't feel like doing something fall because now that we're getting into the home stretch of the year, this is usually when I do my fall paintings or my Christmas paintings or my winter paintings. So this is neither of those categories, but in case you want to see my finish for Crafties, here it is. This is my first finish from Crafties. This was I forgot what it was called. It was something it was by Carla Gerard. Blanking on the name of it. But it did turn out very beautiful. I did do my own blinking to this. But yeah, this is a finish from Crafties. So thank you to Crafties for sending me this item for review. Like I said, I do have a 20% off coupon code, which is an affiliate, so I will get some commission from that. But like I said, it's not going to change my honest opinion, because I am a consumer like you, and I only want the diamond painting to get better. But yeah, so yeah, here is the one diamond painting. I will do inventory of this off screen. It is a little harder to do inventory when they're not in the strips, because now you actually have to put these in order and count them or something. But but I know some people really love the baggies. All right, so that's all I have for today. That's all I have for today. So thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.